we didn't just come home from the grocery. Wait. Today is June 15. It's 4:46 p.m. and I'm currently watching Bon Voyage BTS Season 4. And we bought this snack from the grocery. It's called Binge. And it's really good. It's like a biscuit with chocolate covered biscuit. It's like this. It's really good. I don't really have like a plan today. I'm just gonna watch, and I need to edit a video. It should be up today, but I don't get to edit it. So I'm gonna edit. I will continue watching my BTS until I feel like editing the video, because I'm currently using my laptop to connect to the TV to watch, and I can't watch and edit at the same time because I need to edit on the laptop but I'm watching. So I'm just gonna maybe finish this episode and then edit, but we'll see. I'll update you. Okay, now it got a little darker, but I finished watching the episode that I was watching, and now I feel like cleaning my room because it feels disgusting. My bed feels disgusting, the floor is really dirty, and I have to fix some of the makeup that I used recently, so... Bae. I wanna like keep this. Maybe I'll keep it. I have to wash it first though, because it's dirty. Say hi, baby. Oh, you can't see. Why can't you see? Anyway. Who's following me? These are the stuff I have to put back in my makeup drawers because I recently did a makeup look and now I'm gonna put them back. Okay, so I'm done cleaning now. I'm gonna edit the video. Hi guys, it's so dark. It's 7:40. I'm still editing the video. I'm like somewhat halfway. I'm really not in the mood to edit, and I don't like editing when I'm not in the mood because I can't like produce a good video. Edit. So I won't be forcing myself to edit a video. Instead, I'll be doing things I want, and then once I feel like editing the video, I will edit the video. That's it. That's the update for tonight. Goodbye. Why did I say it like that? Hi guys. So it's currently 8:35 as I just showed you. I have not slept. So there's that. I am with my sister, although she's not here. I came along with her to her work because today is June 17 and today we get to claim our BTS meal, and I can't believe I'm here. So I'm here for the BTS meal and I'm waiting for her to finish her work, which will be around 10. It's currently 8. Oh my god, my lips are crusty. I'm sorry. Anyway, as I was saying, it's not gonna finish till 10, which is 2 hours from now. I'm just here waiting. Okay, goodbye. I just took a bath and now I'm gonna unbox myself because I got some PR today. First, you wanna haul?
This?
I'm hauling.
I'm gonna haul.
Wait, what's this?
Haul!
Blemishes, but make them super cute.
Perfect.
Oh, cute! Cute. Then next box. Eye masks! And Chill Sash Hydrating Eye Mask. Hihi, may scoopy thing siya. Ta-da! My bird. Wait lang, let me finish.
First, we have
Let me finish.
Next.
2 sauces. We have the Cajun sauce.
So lovely pressed powder palette.
Where is it?
Catching Dreaminess collection.
And then the sweet chili.
Lippy sticks. We have 4 shades.
Chili.
I'll unbox it later.
Chili sauce.
We have lip liners. I love lip liner. Ay, joke. Eye pencils pala siya.
And
It's okay.
then
You can use it as a lip liner. I have 3 of the
I
gel
have
liners.
10. I have 10 nuggets.
And then
Ooh, nugs.
we have
Okay,
blush. This is in the shade Gorget Chiffon and Voila.
Vole.
Ganyan spelling, hindi ko alam. So very lovely eyeshadow palette.
You guys,
Unboxing.
look.
Ay, ang cute! This is the eyeshadow palette. Lastly, ooh, face and body makeup. Face and body makeup. Ooh, ang laki! This is medium 10, medium 12, medium dark 14, and medium dark 16.
Goodbye. Woo! Buy the BTS meal.
Annyeong! You're watching the host. And your feet. No feet pic. Hi guys, so we didn't continue watching the movie since we decided to go to sleep because I haven't slept yet a while ago, but now I already slept. It's currently 1:07 a.m. and I edited the video as you can see, but now I feel like watching BTS Bon Voyage season 4, so I'm gonna continue watching and I'll update you. Watching. Hi, Bobby. Hi, Bobby. So I'm currently in Alabang Town Center and I'm going around because my sister is getting lasered and her brows waxed. I already bought stuff from Common Room, which I'll show you guys later in a haul. But now I'm going to Metro because why not? Where are they? Some stuff. I just got some stuff which I'll show you again in the haul. And now I'm gonna go somewhere else. I'm really looking for like jewelry, like rings, because none of my silver rings fit me, so I'm gonna look for silver ones. So yeah. I wonder how to get. Hi guys! Ito we are vlogging in Alabang Town Center, showing me something that she bought for me. Oh, so cute! Ito! Wingardium Leviosa. It's Leviosa, not Leviosa. Oh my gosh. It's Leviosa siya. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Gusto ko na ito. Mahal naman. Birthday cake. Uy, Play-Doh slime. Bili tayo. Ito cute din naman. Ang cute to. My super stretch foam. Oh, 2,000. I would buy this one also. I really wanna get one. Should I get one? Yeah, I should. But it's 300. Ang mahal. I'll just hold it. What did you get? feeling like a millionaire. Naglalakad ako nakagano'n. Nakatakot! Oh my god. Hi guys. Okay, so first we have this. It's a fabric bracelet. Then this is Jimin fabric bracelet for my sister. And then for our other sister, I got this. The Bora. Oh, okay. Ito na talaga. Oh. 31 po. Apo. Bakit? It's Jungkook. And Jin! Aww! So happy. Okay, I'm gonna wear it. Can I open yours? Okay, fine. This is Ates.
Alam mo naman, Jimin yung laban yan, di ba?
I love sila!
It's a group photo! I got Jimin. And then, I got the group photo.
Gusto ko nakawin.
Bakit? Si Vic? Si Jungkook?
Si Jungkook.
Si Jungkook din naman.
Oo, tapos group photo. Vogue. This is the bracelet. Burahe. Cute burahe. Unbox natin yung Minecraft ano ko.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, what could it be? Sana fox. Sana fox. Yung panda.
Sana
Yung wolf. Parang zombie. Ay, may zombie dito. Okay lang, cool yung zombie dito eh. Basta ayoko yung ano. Ayoko si Alex. And ayoko si
Me?
Steve.
How dare you? Why don't you like me? May rapper pa siya.
Oh my God.
Ano feeling mo? Hulaan mo ba yung touching niya?
Parang may ano. Parang siyang cat. Or wolf. Or fox. Oh my god! Please, please. Please, please. Please.
Ang liit niya, Sid. Magkano yan?
The fuck? 300! Look how cute! I'm so happy! Just got home and I'm gonna continue the haul. I got a shower cup. I'm gonna use it later. Let me test it out. Hello? Like, this is so convenient. I mean, I've never tried using one. But, wait, which side should be inside? I'm gonna assume this should be outside. Okay, and then, lastly, I got wax strips. These are very cheap. This is like 69 pesos each pack. So there's 4 inside. And I think I'm just gonna use this for my brows. It's very dangerous to do that though because I think my skin is sensitive, somewhat sensitive. And lastly, I got a new plant. This is the plant. It came in this whiskey little thing, which is so cute. And then, I don't know what plant this is really. It's a succulent, I believe so. And yeah, look how cute. And then this is a plant for my dad for Father's Day. It's a Chinese evergreen plant. I don't know what that does. I don't know what it is for. I don't know what it means, but you bought this. It's so cute. And look, I put my photo cards here. So I'm like creating a little throne. So I have my Lana Del Rey, my Jin, my Jungkook, and more to come. That's it. I'm gonna take a bath now.